The Unseen Gatekeeper. Your 800 score means nothing here. You walk into the bank, confidence radiating like the polished marble beneath your feet. Years of financial discipline, on-time payments, responsible borrowing. You plan to apply for a top-tier Chase travel card, a key to premium benefits and lucrative points. You meet all the public qualifications and expect a swift approval. The explanation is vague, something about recent credit activity. You just collided with a secret rule, an unwritten law operating behind the scenes, the Chase 524 rule. It has thwarted countless applicants, but rejection doesn't have to be the final answer. Learn it, use it, win your next application. Here at CardVantage, we deliver the strategy to help you master your money. Decoding the secret. What is the Chase 524 rule? At its core, it's a simple, unpublicized guideline. If you opened 5 or more new personal credit cards in the last 24 months, Chase will likely deny most applications. It applies regardless of the bank. It's a cumulative total from any issuer. Chase pulls your credit report and looks back 2 years. 5 or more new revolving lines triggers automated rejection. The motivation is risk management and profitability. Rapid openers often chase sign-up bonuses, then move on. Legal for consumers, less profitable for banks. Example: Amex, Citi, Capital One, Bank of America, Discover. 5 new personal cards within 2 years. Apply for a Chase Sapphire, and you'll likely be denied under 524, even with excellent income and credit. The rule applies to most top Chase cards: Sapphire Preferred, Sapphire Reserve, and the Freedom family. That's why 524 is central in the credit card community. Ignore it and expect denials. Master it and plan applications for success. Remember, 5 cards, 24 months, any issuer, revolving lines, automated check. Next, we'll detail what counts and what does not toward your 524 tally. The tally sheet. What counts toward your 524 limit? Track personal credit cards opened in the past 24 months from every bank, not just Chase. Don't forget store cards and co-branded airline or hotel cards that report as revolving lines to your personal credit report. If it's on your personal credit report as a revolving account, count it. Authorized user accounts may appear and be counted by automation, leading to an incorrect denial. Call Chase Reconsideration to clarify. The 24-month window rolls from your application date. An account stops counting on the first day of month 25. Keep meticulous records of open dates. It's essential for serious planning. A simple checklist ticking to a total of 524 keeps you honest. Forgetting a single retail card can push you from 424 to 524 without realizing it. The exclusions list. What stays off the 524 radar? Most business credit cards report to commercial bureaus, not Equifax, Experian, or TransUnion, so they don't add to your 524 count. At 424, you could open several business cards and remain 424 in Chase's eyes. Important exception: some issuers, like Capital One or Discover Business, may report personally and would count. Always verify first. Installment loans do not count. Auto loans, mortgages, home equity loans, or lines of credit, and student loans. Soft inquiries don't count. Only hard inquiries tied to new revolving accounts are relevant. If an authorized user entry pushed you over, call Reconsideration and explain you're not the primary. Agents can disregard it. Mastering exclusions is the key to playing the game intelligently. Next, the workarounds and strategic maneuvers that stack the odds in your favor. While the 524 rule is firm, it has exploitable cracks and workarounds. Most business cards don't hit your personal report. Think of them as stealth cards that don't increment your 524 count. Savvy Flow. Secure Chase personal cards first, then pivot to business cards from issuers like Amex or Citi to keep building points. Leverage Chase in-branch pre-qualified offers that can bypass 524. Look for the banker's green check mark. If denied, don't assume it's final. A human analyst can overturn borderline calls, especially AU miscounts. Pleading won't help at 724 or 824, but it can matter if you're at 524 with an AU in the mix. Consider product changes within Chase. Converting an existing card avoids a new application, no hard inquiry, and doesn't affect 524, but no sign-up bonus. Use product changes to round out benefits when you're already over the limit. Now, the step-by-step application plan to execute this playbook. To navigate 524, don't apply randomly. You need a deliberate, methodical plan. First, determine your current 524 status. Obtain credit reports from Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. Free at annualcreditreport.com. List every personal card opened in the last 24 months with exact opening dates. With your status confirmed, prioritize Chase above all others. Get the Chase cards you want while under 524. 024 to 224 is ideal. Within Chase, aim for the trifecta, 3 cards working together to maximize value. Cornerstone, a Sapphire card, preferred or reserve, earning ultimate rewards and unlocking transfers. Add a Freedom, flex for rotating 5% categories, or unlimited for 1.5x on everything. With a Sapphire, cashback converts to ultimate rewards. Finish with an Ink Business Cash, 5% on office supply and internet cable phone, typically not counted toward 524. Prioritize Sapphire, Freedom, Ink while you're safely under 524. Have a side hustle or freelance income. You may qualify for business cards to keep earning without raising your count. Build a rolling calendar so you know exactly when slots open. Common pitfalls. The costly mistakes most people make. Applying in the wrong order. Grabbing a shiny non-Chase card first burns a precious slot before you secure core Chase cards. Applying at exactly 424 is risky. Reporting delays or forgotten authorized user accounts can flip you to 524. Safer, apply at 324 or lower for smoother automated approvals. Myth: closing old accounts helps 524. False. 524 is about opening dates, not whether the account is closed. Closing can hurt your score by increasing utilization and decreasing average age of accounts. Failing to track dates is a passive, costly mistake. Maintain a precise spreadsheet. List every personal card, each opening date, and the falls off date, 25 months from opening. Treat your 524 status like a vital financial metric, because it is. A practical timeline. Visualize a starter at 0-24. Clean slate, perfect plan. Month 1. Apply for the Chase Sapphire Preferred. Upon approval, status becomes 124. Meet the minimum spend on travel and dining. Month 4. Apply for Freedom Unlimited. Your workhorse at 1.5x on everything. Status now 2-24. Month 7. Apply for Ink Business Cash. It typically does not count toward 524. You remain 2-24. Add business cards from issuers like Amex or Citi to keep bonuses flowing. With space left, add a Chase co-brand like a hotel or airline card. As cards hit month 25, your status drops. New application slots open on a predictable schedule. Summary: 5 cards, 24 months, any issuer, revolving lines. Most business cards don't count. Prioritize Chase. Use a rolling calendar. Immediate next step: pull your reports, build your list, calculate your true 524 status. Subscribe to CardVantage. We upload new videos every Thursday to help you master your money. This is educational, not financial advice. Always verify issuer policies before applying.